Welcome to pharmacy classes. Describe the exoskeleton and appendicular skeleton. Skull, ribcage, vertebral column, skeleton.
Let's start.
Welcome to pharmacy classes, and today we are going to describe about the skeletal system. So first we will describe the exoskeleton and then appendicular skeleton. Exoskeleton consists of skull, ribcage, okay, and then it consists of vertebral column which is at the back, and then it consists of coxal, okay. So first skull consists of total 8 bone. This is front part is frontal bone, then comes parietal, then temporal. At the back occipital bone is present, and at the base of the skull sphenoid bone is present, and at the nasal chamber, which you can see from inside, ethmoid bone is present. After that we are going to describe the rib cage. Rib cage consists of this front rib, this part is sternum, and at the back vertebral column is present. Okay, so rib consists of 12 pair of bone, 12 from this side and 12 from this side. So total it consists of 24 bones, and this part is clavicle, which is also called collarbone. And vertebral column consists of cervical, which consists of 7 bone, and thoracic, which consists of 12 bone, lumbar, which consists of 5 bone, and this part is sacrum, which is fused, and total it is the fuse, okay, ये एक bone होता है. And then at the back you can see from here there is a coccygeal bone, which is also called tailbone, okay, and it is also 1 in number. And this is all about axial bone. Now we are going to describe about the appendicular skeleton, and the appendicular skeleton consists of upper limb and lower limb. Upper limb consists of humerus, which is this bone, then femur, which is the frontal bone, then radius, which is the frontal bone, and at the radius back ulna is present, okay. And this is lower limb. It is the longest bone of the body, which is called femur, and the first part is tibia, and the back fibula is present, and this part ankle we call it ankle. There are 8 bones in tarsals and 14 bone in phalanges. So it's all about skeletal system.